Welcomes all of you from BD Teaching channel. Today we'll discuss about voice change in present progressive tense. In present progressive tense. First we'll discuss about all rules for this. First rule, from active voice to passive voice. I will be me. Similarly you, we, us, he, him, she, her, they, them. Rule, from active voice, subject plus verb plus object. Passive voice will be object will be subject from active to passive voice. Similarly, subject will be object from active voice to passive voice. Verb will be is being, am being, or are being plus third form of a verb. So finally, from active voice to passive voice, rule will be subject plus is or am or are. Is plus am plus are plus being plus third form of a verb plus by plus object in passive voice. For examples, active voice, I am eating rice. I am eating rice. Passive voice will be here I subject, am eating verb, rice object. So object will be subject in passive voice. That means rice subject. Rice am eating will be is being eaten by me. So finally, from active voice to passive voice, rice is being eaten by me. Similarly, for example, to active voice, we are drawing pictures. Here, from active voice to passive voice, pictures are being drawn by we will be us. So finally, pictures are being drawn by us. Similarly, for example 3, he or she is writing an essay. Passive voice will be an essay is being written by him or her. Similarly, example 4, active voice, they are eating apples. Passive voice will be apples are being eaten by them. In this way, we can change voice change from active voice to passive voice in present progressive tense. So I hope that you will watch this video from starting to ending. Then we will like video, share video and subscribe BD Teaching YouTube channel for next new learning video. Thanks to all.